Hello, my favorite people on the planet, my awesome Achieve readers. I hope that you are having a great day today. I'm having a wonderful day. I have some really good news to tell you before we start our lesson today. So, in 2 weeks, I will have a new puppy. We're going to have a puppy at our house. I'm so excited. Let's see if I can show you a picture. There she is. Look how cute. So I am super, super excited. I cannot wait for you guys to see her whenever we get her in 2 weeks. So let's go ahead with our lesson. Trust me, we will come back to look at the puppy at least one more time. So today, our objective is that scholars will be able to see patterns in words and use those patterns to read and write them. Here's what I'm talking about. So, right over here on the left side of our page that I'm circling is a picture. Can anybody tell me what that is a picture of? Good. It is called a rake. 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 How would I spell the word rake? Let's see. Rake. R. That sound is the R. Rake. What sound comes next? What do you hear me saying? Rake. Good, we hear the letter A in rake. What's the next sound? K, rake. Right, that is the letter K that makes that sound. So at the end of this word, we're going to add an E to the end to make it look right. The E is silent at the end of our word rake. So the part that we are going to be focusing on today is the end of our word. Let's take a look at some more words that have that same part. Can anyone read me that word? Great. Lake. Lake. Awesome job. Let's try another one. Good. If we change our beginning sound, we know that the T makes the t sound. So now we have the word take. Take. Make. Make. I can make a pizza. Make. Now I want to write the word cake. I can make a cake. Can somebody help me spell that? Let's see, what's our first letter? K, k, k. What letter makes that sound? If you said K, you're right, but there's also another letter that makes the K sound. Great, that's a C. Cake. K, ache. What's my next sound? K, ache. You're right, I hear the letter A. K, ache. And since we know that the AKE makes the ache sound at the end of our words, we know that we can spell it. So let's read all of our words in this column together one more time. Ready? Rake, lake, take, make, cake. Awesome job. That is one word pattern that we just learned. I'm going to underline that word part. Let's see, let's make it blue. So we know this word part that we just learned today. The A-K-E, if I can get that right. There we go. Let's try it again with another word pattern. Okay, we're gonna look at the picture now on the right. The part that we're looking at is at the bottom part of the skate, and that is called a blade. Blade. Let's try to spell blade together. First, we want to think, what's the first sound that we hear? B, b, b. Excellent. My computer's freezing up just a little bit. There we go. B, b, l, bl, bl. The L, l, A. I'm hearing the sound that the letter A makes. Blade, d, d. Good, that's the D. Just like rake, we have a silent E at the end. So now our word looks right. Blade. Try another one. See. Made. I made the basketball team. Made. M, made. Yes, I made the basketball team. Can someone help me spell the word fade? Fade. Good. Our first sound is the f that the F makes. Aid. Good. Just like blade and made, this one rhymes, and it's going to be spelled the same too. Aid. A-D-E at the end. Okay, think about this one for a second before I spell it. The next word is trade. Think about the letters of the sounds. Trade. Trade. How would you spell the word trade? Let's focus on the first sound that we hear. T, t, t. That is the R. Tr, tr, r, r. Did I say the R? The T. T, R. Trade. I'm saying the letter A. I know that sound. D, d. That's the D. And again, it's going to end with a silent E. So all of our words over here have the word part with it that ends in A-D-E. That says aid. Let's read those words. Ready? Blade, made, fade, and trade. Awesome job. So we just learned 2 new word parts. That's going to help us read words, and also that's going to help us write new words too. These word parts are so important. So remember, we can see patterns in words and use those patterns to read and write them. So scholars, now that you have watched this video with the lesson, open up your exit ticket and answer the questions. If you need help, please, please, please email me. My email address is right down here at the bottom. I would love to help you out. Before we go though, as promised, let's take a look at the puppy again. Okay, readers, I miss you a lot. Keep working hard, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great Thursday and a great weekend. Bye.